So do you also use Gravity Forms to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send and get automated WhatsApp message on Gravity Form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am using Gravity Forms to receive new inquiries from my leads, and here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive new form submission, then automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using Pabbly Chatflow, and after that automatically my team should get notified about the new lead on WhatsApp message as well. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Gravity Forms with my Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send and receive WhatsApp messages whenever a Gravity Form submission is made using Pabbly Chatflow. So this automation will help you instantly engage with users, send confirmations, and even collect responses without manual effort. So whether you're running a business, handling customer inquiries, or sending follow-up messages, this integration will save you time and improve communication. So stay tuned as I walk you through the entire setup step by step. Okay, so here, as you all know, that as a business owner, I use Gravity Forms on my website to collect inquiries from my leads. However, manually responding to each submission takes time and delays communication. So by automating WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow, I can instantly send a confirmation message to user, thanking them for their submission and providing the next steps. At the same time, I can receive an automated WhatsApp alert with the leads detail, allowing me to take immediate action. This makes the process faster, improves customer experience, and ensures I never miss an important lead. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Gravity Forms with my Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software. And now firstly, here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation by simply making a form submission using this Gravity Form. So here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to make a form submission over here, then automatically using the details, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead on their WhatsApp number, such as this, that says, "Thank you for reaching out. Hello demo user. Thank you for reaching out to us through our form. We have received your details and are excited to connect with you. Our team at Digital Dynamics will get back to you shortly with tailored solution to meet your marketing needs. In the meantime, feel free to explore our services at this website. Looking forward to collaborating with you. Best regards, Digital Dynamics." So I want to send this automated WhatsApp message to my lead, and after that instantly I want to receive a lead alert message on my WhatsApp number, such as this, which says, "New lead alert. Hello, a new lead received through a form submission. Here are the details: name, email, phone number. Check this as soon as possible." So here on my screen you can see both the messages over here because I have used my own phone number to test this automation over here. So now here in this video we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So I'm going to make the form submission. So here on the screen you can see some pre-filled details such as first name, last name, email, and the mobile number. So I'm going to click on the submit, but here before clicking on the submit, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. And now here, after entering my own phone number, I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see, "Thanks for testing our form." That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received both the messages, as I have used my own phone number for the lead message also. So here you can see the same message body. That means we have used the particular template message to send this WhatsApp message. And here you can see the personalized name of the lead, that is test lead over here. And here for the new lead alert message, you can see all the lead details such as name, email, and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation by simply connecting your Gravity Forms with your Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/Aina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. But here before accessing the Pabbly Connect, let me show you that you can access your Pabbly Chatflow account from this by simply clicking on this access now from here. Okay, so here to build this automation, I'm going to access Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send and get automated WhatsApp message on gravity form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. So this is my workflow name, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Gravity Forms, as I'm receiving new form submission through Gravity Forms. So Gravity Forms is a WordPress plugin that lets you create customizable forms for your website. So here in my Gravity Forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new response, so that whenever I'm going to receive new response to Gravity Forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now you have to selecting my trigger event. You can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my WordPress account. So as you all know that Gravity Forms is a plugin of WordPress, so here I've already installed that plugin, and here under Forms you can see all the forms that I've created using Gravity Forms till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use a form which is named as inquiry form. So I'm going to select it. And here you can preview the form over here, and from here I'm going to click on this settings on the top, and here under settings I'm going to select webhooks given over here. Now here under this webhooks feed, you can see an existing webhook URL over here. So from here we are going to add a new webhook over here by clicking on this add new button. And now here it is asking me to give a name to my webhook. So here I'm going to give the name as new form submission. And then here it is asking for the request URL. So here I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL. And then here for the request method, I'm going to select post and the format as JSON, scrolling little down. And then here it is asking for the request headers and the request body. So here for the request body, I'm going to select all fields so that I can receive the response of all the fields that are inserted in my form. Okay, so now you have to enter all the required details. I'm going to click on the save settings, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Gravity Forms, or you can say we have successfully connected our Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test response in our Gravity Forms. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblydudes.com, and here I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the phone number, email address, scrolling little down. Here you can see some other details such as the last name and the first name of the lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new response for gravity forms, then automatically using the details, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead for confirming the form submission, and at the same time, I want to receive a lead alert message on my own WhatsApp number with all the lead details. So now I want to send this automated WhatsApp messages using a platform named as Pabbly Chatflow. So now you must be thinking that what Pabbly Chatflow is exactly. So let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and help businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Okay, so this was all a brief about Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to send automated WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow, I need to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. But here before connecting my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, I need to set up my Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, so here to set up the Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account first. So here you can add the WhatsApp number by clicking on this Add WhatsApp Number button given on the top right corner. And once you're going to click on this, Add WhatsApp Number dialog box is going to appear in front of you. And here you can see it is asking for the Meta Access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. And here you can select the folder to save your WhatsApp number. So now here you might be thinking that from where we are going to get all these details. Okay, so here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta. And now here to learn how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then you can check out the video that has already been uploaded on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so once you are going to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then you are going to get all these details, and after getting all these details, you need to enter the details over here, and as soon as you're going to add the details and click on this next, your WhatsApp number is going to be added on Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, so once you're going to add the WhatsApp number, then automatically your Pabbly Chatflow account is ready to send automated WhatsApp messages to your leads. Okay, so here if you want to learn the Chatflow account setup in detail and step by step, then you can check out the video that is attached over here on the dashboard. And after setting up the Pabbly Chatflow account, you can connect your Pabbly Chatflow account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here let's select the action application as Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to select it, and here after selecting the application, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new response for gravity form, then automatically and instantly I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead using a template message through Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly Chatflow account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Chatflow account, and from here I'm going to click on the settings given in the left side bar, and here you can see we have received the option for API and webhooks. So I'm going to select that, and here under API and webhooks you can see the API key over here. So here I'm going to generate the API token, and then I'm going to copy it. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message. That means here I need to enter my lead's mobile number. So now here instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new response through gravity forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the mobile number, I'm going to map my lead's mobile number. So this is the mobile number. And here, before moving forward, let's read the instruction that says enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Ensure the mobile number is active on WhatsApp. So here you need to make sure that your lead's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code should be without plus sign over here. So here you can see I have received the lead's mobile number without the plus sign. So I've directly mapped it over here, and here I'm not going to make any changes for that. But if you're receiving plus sign in your lead's phone number, then you need to split the plus sign from your lead's phone number first. Okay, so this is my recipient mobile number, so I'm going to scroll a little down, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So now here to get this template name, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here in my Pabbly Chatflow account, I'm going to click on this templates given in the left side bar, and from here I'm going to select templates list. Now here under this template, you can see all the templates that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use the template that I've already created with the name lead message. So here you can see the message that I've drafted, which says, thank you for reaching out. Hello Juan, thank you for reaching out to us through our form. We have received your details and are excited to connect with you. Our team at Digital Dynamics will get back to you shortly with tailored solution to meet your marketing needs. In the meantime, feel free to explore our services at this website. Looking forward to collaborating with you. Best regards, Digital Dynamics. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name. That is because here I've warned that whenever I'm going to receive a new response from my Gravity forms, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. So variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. Also, variables makes our text look more personalized and engaging. Okay, so here in this case, I'm going to use this particular template that I've drafted, and here you can see the template name, that is lead message over here. Also, you can see the template status, that is approved over here. So now here, before moving back to Pabbly Connect, let me tell you that how you can create a template in Pabbly Chatflow account. So here you need to click on this add a new template button given on the top right corner, and then a new template window will appear in front of you where you can add the details to create a new template for your automation. So here you need to select the template category, then you need to give a name to your template, and then you need to select the language of your template, and then you need to select the template type. Here you can give the header if you want, and once you're going to select the category and you're going to give a name to a template, then automatically a body field will be available over here where you can add the body of your template, and then you can select the interactive actions as well. And after adding all the required details, you're going to click on the submit, and once you're going to click on the submit, then automatically your template will be sent to Meta for approval. And once your template is going to get approved, then automatically you're going to see the status update over here in the left side bar of this template window. Okay, so this was the process to add a new template in Pabbly Chatflow account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here in this case, I'm going to use my template which I've created with the name lead message. So this is my template. And after selecting the template name, you can see the header type has been updated automatically, that is text over here, because I have used header type as text in my template. Moving forward, here this header params, media URL and file name are not a required field. And then here it is asking for the header params. So here I'm not going to add any header params, and then here it is asking for the media URL. So here I've not added any media in my template, so I'm going to ignore this field. But if you have selected any media, then you need to add the public link of your media over here in this media URL field. Okay, and then here it is asking for the file name. So here if your header type is document, then only you need to add your file name over here. And then here it is asking for the body parameter. That means here in this field I need to enter the value of my variable. So here I've already told you that I have used variable in my template for the lead's name. So here I'm going to map the lead's name. So I'm going to search for it. So this is my lead's first name, so I'm going to map that only. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here right now. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number. So now I'm going to scroll a little down, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message on my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a WhatsApp message over here with the same template and with a personalized name over here. That means we have successfully set up this action step as well. Okay, so now here, after sending an automated WhatsApp message to my lead, I also want to receive a lead alert message through Pabbly Chatflow on my WhatsApp number. So for that, I need to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect once again by adding an action step over here. And here I'm going to select my action application again as Pabbly Chatflow. And again here for the action event, I'm going to select send template message and then I'm going to click on this connect. This time to build the connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my Pabbly Chatflow account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. So now here after selecting the existing connection, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking for the recipient mobile number. So here this time for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to enter my own mobile number because I want to receive this lead alert message on my phone number every time when a new lead is received. So this mobile number is going to remain static. That's why I'm going to enter it manually. So here I've entered my own number and then here it is asking for the template name. So now again, let me take you back to my Chatflow account. And now here to get the lead alert message, I'm going to use a template that I've already created with the name lead alert. So this is the template and here you can see the message that I've drafted which says new lead alert. Hello, a new lead received through a form submission. Here are the details, name, email, phone number. Check this as soon as possible. So this is the message that I want to receive. And here you can see I've used 3 variables in my template. First is for the name, second is for the email and third is for the phone number. Okay, so this is the template that I'm going to use with the name lead alert. So moving back to my Pabbly Chatflow and here for the template name, I'm going to select my template name as lead alert. So this is my template. And again, this header type has been updated as text. Scrolling little down. Here this header params, media URL and file name are not required fields. Here I'm going to leave all of them blank. And then here is asking me to map the value for the variables that are 1, 2 and 3. So here for the first variable, I'm going to map the lead name only. So I'm going to search for the lead name. So this is my lead's first name. Then I'm going to enter a space and then I'm going to map the last name. So this is the last name of my lead. And then here for the parameter 2, I'm going to map my lead's email address. So this is my lead's email address. And lastly, here it is asking for the mobile number. So lastly, I'm going to map my lead's mobile number that I have received. So this is my lead's mobile number that I have received. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to my phone number for the new lead received through Gravity Forms. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a lead alert message on our phone number with the same message template and with the lead details such as name as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and the phone number. Okay, so with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Gravity Forms and our action as Pabbly Chatflow twice. So that whenever we are going to receive new response to our Gravity Forms, then automatically using the details, an automated and instant WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message through Pabbly Chatflow. And at the same time, I'm going to receive a lead alert message on my own phone number using a template message through Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send and get automated WhatsApp message on Gravity Form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.